BISSELL Bold Ion XRT 2-inch-1 lightweight cordless vacuum with edge reach technology. Dirt cup capacity -0.4 liters. A lightweight cordless vacuum with superior suction, a two-way folding handle, and removable hand vacuum to easily clean wherever dirt is. Includes 25.2 V Li-ion battery, edge reach technology, normal boosted suction settings, 180-degree swivel steering, and a charging base. Up to 40 minutes of cordless power. Filtration, pre-motor foam filter. Quick charge docking station. Edge reach technology delivers superior edge cleaning on demand. -180-degree swivel to maximize maneuverability. Fully recharge in less than 4 hours.